Jackson, what did the birdie do?
Yuck.
Yuck?
Yeah.
What did he do?
The poop.
He went poop? Where?
No, up here.
On your window?
I poop.
And what did you tell him?
Up here.
Get out of here?
Yeah, up here, more bird.
No more pooping, huh?
More pooping. More pooping. More pooping. More pooping, bird.
Say goodbye, bird.
Goodbye, bird.